So the first blade we're going to have a close look at is our GT blade. That's GT, not G&T. GT stands for ground tooth. Now the vast majority of bandsaw blades available on the UK market, they're either the teeth are stamped out or milled out. And you know, the milled teeth are reasonably sharp, you know, it'll cut. But what these have, the GT blade, they're ground after they're milled, making them super sharp, cutting noise levels down, improving finish. Let's have a look how it cuts. So the GT, the ground tooth blade, even when cutting quite fast, gives you a nice clean finish and a nice straight cut.